Are you making makeup mistakes that make you look older instead of younger? If you ever apply foundation, concealer, lipstick, and blush and thought, why this make me look older, dull in age, you're not alone. Hi, I am Anna True. I'm a costume designer. I am also a certified image consultant from FIT New York. I am also a makeup artist from Makeup Forever New York, and I help women find their undertone, master quick beauty routines, master quick style routines, and use makeup to look fresh and young every day. Today, I will show you the 5 most common mistakes that instantly age your face and the simple pro level fixes that you can implement right now. Those fixes will make you look younger, fresh, and also put together. And by the way, I create a 5-minute video showing you how to look together super quick, and it has a free guide. So if you're interested, I think that video will help you a lot. I will link it down below. Mistake number 1. Heavy foundation. Please stay away from this. Cakey foundation, fake foundation, super dry foundation. That will make you look older right away. And I'm gonna show you right here how a very matte thick foundation looks, and here how a very lightwear glowy foundation for you. Thick matte foundation settles into the fine lines and emphasize texture, making skin look older and dull. Even if we don't have lines will appear. So trust me, you want to be far away from those cakey foundations. How to fix it? Well, we are going to use thin layers of foundations. There are plenty of foundations that have high cover, but you don't have to wear a thick or a big amount to cover your face. So we're gonna start applying thin layers. Also, you can apply the foundation with a little bit moisturizer, and make sure you do your skincare routine, and that includes moisturizer. Also, if you want your primer, make sure your face is moist. Also, make sure that that foundation that you are applying, it's under your right undertone. I also have a video on how to find your right undertone for foundation, lipstick, blush, so I will link it down below. Mistake number 2, overplug or harsh brows. Please take the time to go to the makeup counter and find the right color for your brows. It shouldn't be darker than your brows. It shouldn't be too light. It should be medium, almost like if you can now notice the difference between the color and the color of your eyebrows. Right here, I'm going to show you the difference between thin, harsh versus soft and feathered brows. Harsh, overly dark, or overplucked brows harden your face and can instantly age you. How are we going to fix it? We're going to look for a lighter tone, lighter pencil, or a brow shadow, and start doing strokes. Instead of drawing, we're gonna do strokes, hair-like strokes. You're gonna brush upwards to remove any excess of product, and then if you want, you also can set with a clear gel to settle those eyebrows. Mistake number 3, it's concealer overload. And I see this one all over the place with my friends, with my family. I know we don't like or dark circles, is normal, but the correct way to do it is you should apply something to neutralize that area. That will be a more peachy concealer, and then you will apply the right tone, probably just like a little damp, with a sponge or with this finger, that is the finger that has less strength. I will show you right here how too much concealer look, and here tiny blend or dot how it should look. Using too much concealer or the wrong shade settles into the fine lines, exaggerating the wrinkles, so that will make us look older right away. Mistake number 4, the wrong lip color. Brown, grayish, or very dark lipstick will age your face right away because it will take life from your face, literally. So you want to stick with more neutral tones, if it's rosy or more peachy. That also depends on your undertone. It goes back to my video on how to find the right undertone for makeup. Applies also for clothes, but it's more focused on makeup, and it will save you a ton of money and a ton of time. So I suggest you look that video. Right here, I will show you how a dual brown lipstick looks versus a rosy undertone flattering shade looks. Mistake number 5, no blush or too much blush. You know that extremes are bad. So no blush will make you look tired, sick, or plain, and too much blush will make you look harsh. I personally recommend the blush that comes in cream. You can apply it into your cheeks and blend it with your fingers for a more natural look. I'm gonna show you how no blush looks and how the right amount of blush and the right undertone looks right here. My extra tip right here is match blush to your lip color for a cohesive, natural, and youthful glow. Let's do a little recap to see what we learned today. The 5 makeup mistakes that make you look older are heavy foundation, harsh brows, concealer overload, wrong lipstick, and blush mistake. These are small changes, but they can transform entirely how you feel and how your face looks. After you fix those mistakes, you will look younger, fresher, and radiant. Please let me know in the comments if you think that you were falling in any of these 5 mistakes. If you have any questions or doubt on any of those, please let me know. I'm super happy to reply, and please subscribe, like, and share with family and friends. See you in the next video. Ciao.